Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and a few pieces of news that you do not want to miss. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. We know it's extremely strong, but let's see how strong it is. And then also go ahead and get your free stock from Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on Public and you will get up to $500 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest in a Shiba Inu Coin if you guys want, or just keep it, whatever you want to do. We personally got a $300 stock of Amazon, so if you guys want to try your luck with that, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. But anyways, today we are going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin. We're going to be going over a few different theories I have with Shiba Inu Coin and what possible big partnership we have coming up, as well as a few other things, and then also my technical analysis. I think we could possibly be having a pretty cool breakout, and I'm going to be charting that out for you guys and explaining what that is at the end of the video. So if you guys want to hear all that, make sure you stick around till the end of the video. But yeah, so Shiba Inu Coin up about 1.5% today. At points today, we were kind of down bad. We were at a support line at the 20 level, but we have held very strong there. That support just gets stronger and stronger every time we touch it and bounce off it, and that is what has happened thus far. Now I'm going to talk more about that in the technical analysis. Let's get into the news for Shiba Inu Coin today, and that is going to be directly from the Shib Discord. This is coming from Shiba Inu Crypto, or Shib Alexander, who's waiting for Shibarium to drop. So if you guys don't know, Shibarium is the layer 2 Ethereum layer 2 blockchain that Shiba Inu Coin is developing and creating to get both transaction times down as well as transaction fees down. So we are ready for this to drop. I can't wait until this drops, but this is going to be what Shitoshi Kusama just commented on. So if you don't see the value in having our own chain, if you guys don't know, this is referring to the Shiba Inu Coin times Welly sponsorship. We made a ton of videos on this yesterday, so if you guys want to watch them, you can go see our thoughts on it. Personally, we didn't really like the Welly's partnership, but basically Shiba Inu Coin teamed up with a basically food place in not in India, in Italy, Naples, Italy, I believe, and now we have this partnership, and a lot of people didn't really like it, myself included, Kyle included. He's the other person who runs this channel, but he says, so if you don't see the value in having our own chain, stores we can open worldwide with Shib branded food that is super high quality and delicious by seasoned restaurateurs, I don't think you get it yet. And he's basically just trying to explain to us, the people who just thought this was a kind of a letdown, that this is actually something big. That is still to be seen, but basically Shitoshi said the chain will fully integrate with Shibarium, Shib, Bone, Leash, and Shiboshis using our tech and therefore adding value. So he's basically trying to say, hey, this is a Shiba Inu Coin restaurant and we want to go worldwide. If they are able to go worldwide and open up a bunch of chains of this Welly's basically branded Shiba Inu Coin store or food place, that will be amazing. But I kind of want to make a leap here. And if you guys don't know, we do have Twitter. Follow us at It's Finance Bro if you guys haven't already. But I said, hey, hashtag Shibarium, following the announcement that Welly would fully integrate with Shibarium, shouldn't we expect Shibarium to be released soon? Let's go Shib. So yeah, make sure you guys follow us on Twitter. We post stuff like this all the time, but I'm basically theorizing that, hey, why would Shibarium be released way far in the future if they just announced this Welly partnership? I think we could be getting the Shibarium launch here pretty soon. Personally, I don't think that is going to be the partnership that everyone has been talking about. This isn't even a partnership. Shibarium is literally something in-house. So we do have that catalyst coming too, but I personally think Shibarium could be released in the upcoming days to weeks. So, maybe I'm wrong here. However, I think Shibarium could be released soon, following this announcement that Welly obviously is fully integrating with Shibarium. I don't see why they would make this announcement if they weren't pretty close to releasing Shibarium. But we'll have to see. That's kind of just like a theory I have. If you guys want to hear more of those, go follow us at It's Finance Bro on Twitter. But anyways, next part. Shiba Inu lead dev Shitoshi promises a big deal incoming for Shib community after Welly. So obviously most of the news that we have been seeing has been centered around Wellies. So it's hard to make a lot of different videos on that. However, However, I do want to discuss this part of it. In a recent blog post, Shiba Inu developer Shitoshi Kusama announced a partnership with Italian food restaurant called Welly's. We just talked about that. Explaining what the partnership means for Shib, the developer says the partnership solidifies Shib's first step into IRL projects. Using the occasion to clarify the choice of Wellies. Obviously, we just talked about all this, so I don't want to, go too deep into that. On questions regarding the big deal promised to the Shib community at the start of 2022, the dev says sure did, and at least one more is coming this month. I consider this deal an appetizer for our upcoming announcements as we tackle a few more IRL industries and change the world forever. So I do want to mention here, guys, I think we could possibly be getting this partnership on February 14th. We do have that burn planned for February 14th with Bigger Entertainment. If you guys don't know, I think it would be a logical leap to be able to say, hey, maybe we are going to announce this big partner on February 14th. So possibly that's a date to keep on the lookout for. Considering the burn is happening that day, I think that time frame, those couple of days right there, there's going to be a lot coming out on Shib. So if you guys haven't already invested in Shib and you want to be, I would probably plan on doing it sooner rather than later. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm thinking. He basically says that this is just an appetizer, or the Welly's announcement was just an appetizer. The real big partnership is coming sometime this month. So let's hope this does change the world forever. But yeah, I would probably target February 14th. But anyways, let's go over the global crypto market. We're actually doing really well, back up to $1.76 trillion, a 3% increase. Ethereum and Bitcoin both killing it over the last couple of hours here. Shiba Inu Coin sitting in that 15th spot right here, right behind Matic. We could possibly move them at any point, but volume is really low. We are down to $415 million, is 17% decrease, and we are pretty much stalling here at the 400 million area. That is a very, very low volume, I will say, guys. But anyways, let's go into the technical analysis, and this is kind of what I've been seeing. So we do have this resistance at the 24 and the support at the 20. The support has been touched now 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I see this as a very strong support here at the 20 level. So yeah, just keep an eye on that 20 level, guys. If we break below that, it wouldn't be good. However, we have not done it yet, so I don't think it'll happen anytime soon. But yeah, so basically here is what I'm charting out. I can see a possible cup and handle. If you guys don't know, a cup and handle is when you see a big cup, and then I would assume that we kind of stall it here at the 21 area. Throughout the morning, we sell off to about the 2050 area, and then tomorrow we will come back, recover, break through this 21, and that would be a classic cup and handle. If you guys want to know how many gains we get, it's basically you're basically able to do that by measuring the cup and then copying, pasting, and seeing the breakoff point, which would be the 21. So we could possibly see gains to the 22 area-ish. So that would be pretty sizable gain, 4 to 5%, 6% even. So if we do break out of the cup and handle tomorrow, that'd be great. We are seeing a big push right here as well. Overall, bullish reversal. I don't see us going below the support at the 20. But yeah, make sure that you guys get signed up to the to public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $500 worth of free stock. I personally got $300 stock of Amazon, $50 stock of Peloton and Shopify. If you guys want to try your luck, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. Also, if you guys haven't already, go and join our private Discord. Get our buy and sellers. So you get one-on-one interactions with on Discord with you, and then also you get daily crypto alerts when we buy, and then also you get to see our first look of new cryptos we're looking into. So if you guys want to see all that, get our buy and sell alerts with the second link in the description. But that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Zach, and hope to see you in the next one.